Hi guys, DK here. Today I'm going to be taking you through some recent updates to DKUI, and in particular in the layout space. So if we have a look at this this Grasshopper script that I've prepared already, this just has a traditional DKUI layout, which if you have a look at it, as you build a DKUI, as you add objects to the to this merge component, they will simply stack going down the page. Now I've had here in the styling, there has been a horizontal stack component, which is useful for stacking a few controls across the screen, but doesn't really give you a full grid-based layout that could be useful in some situations. So this script that I've got here, we have the ability to turn the sphere on and off, the box on and off. We can change the radius of the sphere, and we can change the side length of the box. Now, if we wanted this to now, so we've got this, but we actually want these to be vertical controls, matching each other, either left or right on this this page. What we can do is we can actually, I'm going to duplicate this merge component, and I'm actually going to take those top three controls off. So this is now just the box controls in this this component, and I'm going to remove the bottom three, so I've got just the sphere controls here. Now I've got two lists of my three controls. I'm going to grab an entwine component, and this will allow me to construct a tree. So I'm going to pull these two merged lists together, and now I have a tree coming out of here. I'm going to just eliminate this here, and I've currently got sort of there's two levels in this tree. So I'm just going to simplify this, and now we've just got two lists of three components in this tree. And now under styling, we can grab a grid layout, and I can simply plug that tree into the grid layout, and then I'm going to plug that into my HTML input. And as you can see here, now we have we've created a 3x2 grid of our controls. So we have our H2, our sphere label here, and then we have our show sphere, and then we have our sphere radius. Now, if we wanted to change that, we could grab a flip matrix component, and if we plug the flip matrix component in, what we will have coming out of here is three lists, each with two components, and we can plug that in, and that will actually change our layout to a two-column layout. So we have here now the sphere and box controls are sitting side by side, and we can continue building out more controls as we add them. They'll actually be added going down the page. So yeah, that is the grid layout component that will allow you to build quite sophisticated grids. Now we do not actually have to have these matched. We could actually have unmatched grids in here. So this one, as I add these, is actually starting to stack down, and if we took the flip component out, you can see these can start stacking across. So, and if we could, yeah, so that is that's the grid layout component. Will allow you to do more sophisticated layouts inside of DKUI with and any of the standard controls and displays can actually be placed within the grid that gets automatically generated once you have this tree structure to plug in. There was one other thing I'd like to show in today's video, and that is I've added a win status to our DK page server. This was we have users who want to know the exact status of the server, so whether it is open and closed via this show input, or whether it's open or whether it's closed via the user. We need to bring that back up. So this is a little bit strange, but it makes sense if you can once you get your head around it. If I grab a panel and connect it to the win status, it comes up false, but we're actually showing true here. And now we will get a reply here that after that first cycle that our window is open. But if we leave this panel connected, if I close here, it will actually auto reopen. What we have to do is just disconnect this panel. It's only required to be connected just to populate with this identification here, and once it's populated with that identification, it can be removed. And now, if I close this, it will actually say that it's been closed, and I can retoggle, and it'll say that it's open. So yeah, there we have it, guys. A couple of nice little updates to DKUI. As always, if you find DKUI useful in your own workflow, or these videos are helping you in any way to get started with DKUI, you can always just grab this icon and drop it onto the canvas. That will open up your browser window and take you straight to this PayPal, where you are more than welcome to tell me how much you value DKUI and the time I put into these instructional videos. All donations are definitely gratefully accepted and go a long way to the motivation to keep improving this UI platform and creating these videos. Thank you very much for your time, and if you need to get in touch with me, either drop a comment below this video, or you can track me down on the Rhino McNeil forum. I'm known on there as Kiteboard Shaper. Thank you very much.